Bill Taylor here, Frame Right Automotive Service, and today I want to talk about when you get your vehicle serviced for routine maintenance. Is somebody taking the time to look your car over and make sure everything is safe, reliable? What we have here today is a vehicle that is in really nice shape, the rest of the vehicle, but somebody has missed the lower control arm bushing being off so long that the control arm has actually rubbed through the aluminum subframe. So the subframe cannot be repaired, it has to be replaced. So we went from a $500 job to somewhere in a couple $1,000s to have the whole subframe replaced, which is really a shame because, you know, just somebody with the experience to look over your vehicle would have picked this up very quickly. It's just sometimes with the places that change your oil real fast, they're just looking at your filters and your fluids. They're not looking at the whole vehicle health. And so it's just like going to the doctor. You know, they check your blood pressure, they check your temperature, check everything in your pulse, and you expect them to tell you if there's something else wrong. Well, that's the same way you should expect from your car repair place. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.